Look up at the night sky, see all those stars? They belong to our home galaxy, the Milky Way. But our galaxy is not alone. It has a neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. And here's the big news, we're on a collision course. These two massive galaxies are heading straight for each other. It's a cosmic appointment set billions of years ago, a gravitational dance that will reshape our corner of the universe. This isn't science fiction, it's real, observable science. Astronomers have been tracking Andromeda for a long time. They've measured its movement, speed, and direction. All signs point to an unavoidable future encounter. Think of it. Two of the biggest players in our local group of galaxies destined to meet. This isn't just any collision. It's a galactic merger of epic proportions. It's a slow-motion spectacle that will unfold over millions, even billions of years. We won't be around to see the grand finale, but we can understand it. Now, when you hear collision, you might think of a car crash. But this is different. The distances between stars within galaxies are truly enormous. So while the galaxies will merge, the individual stars are unlikely to smash into each other. It's more like two swarms of bees flying through each other. The swarms combine, but the individual bees mostly miss each other. This future event tells us something profound about the universe. It's not static. It's constantly changing, evolving, and rearranging itself. Understanding this helps us understand our own origins and the future evolution of the cosmos. It's a story written in the stars, and we're just beginning to read its most exciting chapters. So, how far away is Andromeda? Right now, it's about 2.5 million light-years from us. A light-year is the distance light travels in a year. Light from Andromeda that we see tonight left that galaxy 2.5 million years ago. When that light began its journey, early humans were just starting to walk the Earth. And how fast are we hurtling towards each other? The two galaxies are approaching at a combined speed of roughly 110 kilometers per second. Even at this incredible velocity, the merger won't begin for about another 4.5 billion years. This incredible speed is due to the mutual gravitational attraction between the Milky Way and Andromeda. They are the two most massive galaxies in what astronomers call the local group. Gravity is pulling these two galactic titans together. The universe is playing a long game, and we're just witnessing one of its many grand moves. When you hear Galactic Collision, you might picture a chaotic, explosive event. But that's not really what will happen. The distances between stars within a galaxy are vast. So when the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, it's more like two enormous clouds of smoke intermingling. The galaxies will pass through each other, their structures distorted by gravity, but direct star-on-star collisions will be incredibly rare. What about our solar system? Our solar system will most likely survive the merger intact. The Sun and its planets are tightly bound by gravity. While the galaxies merge, the chance of another star coming close enough to disrupt our solar system is very small. However, our solar system's position within the new, larger galaxy will almost certainly change. The process will take hundreds of millions of years, even billions from the first pass to the final settling. The gravitational forces will stir up huge clouds of gas and dust, triggering massive bursts of new star formation. It's a galactic renewal. Imagine the night sky billions of years from now. As Andromeda draws closer, it will become a spectacular sight, eventually appearing larger than the full moon. Then, as the merger begins, the sky will be filled with the combined light of two galaxies. New star clusters will blaze, born from the colliding gas clouds. The familiar band of the Milky Way will be disrupted, reformed, and eventually blend into a new, grander structure. The end result of this galactic merger will be the formation of a new, much larger galaxy. Scientists have playfully nicknamed it Milkomeda. This new galaxy won't be a spiral like the Milky Way or Andromeda are today. Instead, it's predicted to become a giant elliptical galaxy. During the merger, the supermassive black holes at the centers of both galaxies will eventually merge to form an even more massive black hole. The collision and merger of gas clouds from both galaxies will trigger furious bursts of star formation. This future collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a powerful reminder that the universe is not a static, unchanging backdrop. It is a dynamic, evolving, and incredibly active place. Everything is in motion, stars are born and die. Galaxies collide and merge. The cosmos is constantly rearranging itself. Understanding these grand processes helps us appreciate the sheer scale and wonder of the universe we inhabit. The formation of Milkomeda is not an end, but a new beginning. By studying the impending collision of our own galaxy, we gain insights into these fundamental processes that shape the cosmos. Science allows us to peek into this future. Thinking about such immense timescales and colossal events can make us feel small, but it's also empowering. Through science, we can comprehend these cosmic dramas. Keep looking up, there's always more to discover.